Chapter 1, A School Life. In a small town of Vatican City, where the sun danced through the trees and laughter echoed in the streets, lived a young girl named Emily. With her bright eyes and eager smile, she ventured into the world of education, eager to learn and grow. But amidst the excitement of her first day of school, Emily found herself facing an unexpected challenge: the English language. Born into a family where English was not spoken at home, Emily's journey with the language began with uncertainty and apprehension. As she stepped into the bustling classroom filled with children chattering animatedly, she felt a knot form in her stomach. The teacher's voice, though kind and welcoming, sounded like a distant echo, the words blending together into a jumble of incomprehensible sounds. While her classmates eagerly raised their hands and participated in the lessons, Emily sat in silence, her heart heavy with frustration. The alphabet, once a source of wonder and excitement, now seemed like an impenetrable fortress, each letter a mysterious symbol she couldn't decipher. The words on the pages of her textbooks taunted her, their meanings eluding her grasp like fleeting shadows in the night. Despite her best efforts to keep up with her peers, Emily found herself falling behind, unable to understand the instructions or follow along with the lessons. Each day brought new challenges and obstacles, leaving her feeling lost and alone in a sea of unfamiliarity. The simple act of asking for help became a daunting task, as fear of embarrassment and ridicule held her tongue captive. But amidst the struggle and uncertainty, a flicker of determination burned bright within Emily's heart. She refused to be defeated by the language barrier that threatened to overshadow her dreams. With unwavering resolve, she embarked on a journey of discovery, determined to unlock the secrets of the English language and claim her rightful place in the world of education. Chapter 2, The Lonely Journey. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Emily's struggle with English persisted. While her classmate effortlessly conversed in fluent sentences, she remained on the sidelines, a silent observer in a world of chatter and laughter. Lunch breaks, once a time for camaraderie and friendship, became a lonely affair as Emily watched enviously while others bonded over shared experiences and inside jokes. The language barrier became a formidable wall, separating Emily from forming meaningful connections with her peers. Simple conversations became a source of anxiety and insecurity, as she struggled to find the right words to express herself. The fear of being judged for her imperfect pronunciation and grammar loomed large, casting a shadow over her confidence and self-esteem. Despite the isolation and loneliness she experienced, Emily refused to give up on her dreams. She knew that the path to mastery was fraught with challenges and obstacles, but she was determined to persevere. With each passing day, she dedicated herself to the task of learning English, immersing herself in books, videos, and online resources in a quest for knowledge and understanding. Yet, for every step forward, it seemed that Emily encountered another roadblock on her journey. The complexities of grammar and syntax left her feeling bewildered and overwhelmed, while the fear of making mistakes held her back from speaking out. But amidst the trials and tribulations, Emily found solace in her passion for learning, her love for education burning bright like a beacon in the darkness. And so, with courage in her heart and determination in her soul, Emily continued to press forward, knowing that the road ahead would be long and arduous. But she also knew that with perseverance and resilience, she could overcome any obstacle that stood in her way. For Emily understood that the true measure of success lay not in the absence of challenges, but in the courage to face them head-on, with unwavering determination and unshakable resolve. Chapter 3, A Beacon of Hope. Despite the challenges she faced, Emily refused to let adversity dim her spirit. As she embarked on her journey through the English language support program introduced at her school, a glimmer of hope ignited within her heart. Guided by dedicated teachers who recognized her potential, Emily delved into the intricacies of grammar and vocabulary with renewed determination. Each lesson brought with it a newfound understanding, as Emily eagerly absorbed the knowledge imparted to her. Through interactive activities and tailored exercises, she began to unravel the mysteries of English, one word at a time. The once daunting alphabet transformed into a familiar friend, its letters now holding meaning and significance that she could grasp with confidence. With each small victory, Emily's confidence grew, like a delicate flower blooming in the sunlight. No longer bound by the shackles of self-doubt, she embraced the challenges before her with courage and resilience. The fear of failure no longer held her back, instead, it fueled her determination to succeed against all odds. Outside the walls of the classroom, Emily continued her pursuit of English proficiency with unwavering dedication. She devoured books and articles with voracious enthusiasm, eager to expand her vocabulary and deepen her understanding of the language. Late nights were spent poring over textbooks and flashcards, her determination unyielding in the face of fatigue and exhaustion. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Emily's hard work began to bear fruit. Her once hesitant words flowed with newfound fluency, her sentences woven together like threads in a tapestry of expression. No longer content to remain on the sidelines, she eagerly participated in classroom discussions and group activities, her voice ringing out with clarity and confidence. With each passing day, Emily's transformation became more apparent, like a caterpillar emerging from its cocoon to spread its wings and take flight. Her teachers marveled at her progress, applauding her perseverance and dedication in the face of adversity. But for Emily, the greatest reward lay not in the praise of others, but in the sense of accomplishment that blossomed within her heart. Chapter 4, College Chronicles. Entering college marked a new chapter in Emily's journey, one filled with both excitement and trepidation. Armed with her newfound proficiency in English, she ventured into the halls of higher education with a sense of purpose and determination. Yet, as she soon discovered, the challenges she faced were far from over. Academic lectures presented a daunting obstacle, as Emily grappled with complex concepts delivered in rapid succession. The professor's words, though clear and concise, seemed to blur together into a cacophony of confusion in her mind. Taking notes became a Herculean task, as she struggled to keep up with the rapid pace of the lecture. But Emily refused to be deterred by the challenges that lay before her. With grit and determination, she sought out additional resources and formed study groups with her peers, determined to bolster her understanding of the material. Late nights were spent poring over textbooks and lecture notes, her determination unyielding in the face of adversity. As the semester progressed, Emily's hard work began to pay off. The once insurmountable obstacles that had seemed so daunting at the outset began to crumble before her determination and perseverance. Concepts that had once seemed incomprehensible now fell into place like pieces of a puzzle, their significance crystal clear in her mind. But amidst the academic rigors of college life, Emily also found moments of joy and inspiration. Engaging in discussions with her classmates and professors, she discovered a newfound passion for learning and exploration. The once intimidating world of academia now felt like a welcoming embrace, its halls filled with endless opportunities for growth and discovery. With each passing semester, Emily's confidence and competence continued to soar, like a bird spreading its wings and taking flight. No longer bound by the limitations of her past, she embraced the challenges before her with courage and conviction. For Emily understood that the true measure of success lay not in the absence of challenges, but in the courage to face them head-on, with unwavering determination and unshakable resolve. Chapter 5, The Language of Resilience. Amidst the academic rigors of college life, Emily found solace in her passion for literature. Immersing herself in the works of renowned authors, she discovered the beauty of language and the power of storytelling. Through the pages of novels and poems, she found a voice that transcended linguistic barriers, inspiring her to continue her pursuit of English proficiency. As she lost herself in the world of literature, Emily discovered a newfound appreciation for the nuances of the English language. The lyrical cadence of Shakespeare's sonnets and the vivid imagery of Dickens' prose spoke to her soul in ways that words alone could not express. With each page she turned, her vocabulary expanded, and her understanding of the language deepened. But beyond the confines of the classroom, Emily's love for literature became a source of inspiration and empowerment. Through the characters she encountered and the stories she read, she found courage and resilience in the face of adversity. The struggles of fictional heroes mirrored her own, their triumphs serving as a beacon of hope in the darkness. Armed with her newfound passion for literature, Emily began to see English not as a barrier, but as a bridge to new worlds and experiences. She devoured books with voracious enthusiasm, eagerly exploring new genres and authors with an insatiable appetite for knowledge. Each novel, poem, and play became a treasure trove of wisdom and insight, enriching her understanding of the human experience. As she immersed herself in the world of literature, Emily's confidence as a communicator grew by leaps and bounds. No longer content to remain a passive observer, she eagerly participated in classroom discussions and debates, her voice ringing out with clarity and conviction. The once daunting task of expressing herself in English now felt like second nature, as she embraced the language with open arms. But amidst the joys of literary exploration, Emily also faced challenges that tested her resilience and determination. The demands of academic life sometimes threatened to overwhelm her, as deadlines loomed large and assignments piled up. Yet, with each obstacle she encountered, Emily refused to be defeated, drawing strength from the stories of courage and perseverance that had inspired her. And so, with courage in her heart and words as her allies, Emily continued her journey through the world of literature, knowing that with each page she turned, she was one step closer to realizing her dreams. Chapter 6: Triumphs and Tribulations. Graduation day dawned bright and sunny, a testament to Emily's perseverance and determination. Armed with her hard-earned degree, she ventured into the competitive realm of the corporate world. Yet, the transition was not without its challenges. In the fast-paced environment of the office, Emily found herself grappling with jargon and industry-specific terminology. Miscommunications and misunderstandings became commonplace, threatening to undermine her confidence once more. Yet, with each setback, Emily refused to surrender, viewing each obstacle as an opportunity for growth and learning. With determination and resilience, Emily sought out opportunities to improve her communication skills in the workplace. She enrolled in workshops and seminars, eager to sharpen her abilities and enhance her effectiveness as a communicator. Through role-playing exercises and mock presentations, she honed her skills in public speaking and interpersonal communication, gaining confidence with each passing day. But amidst the triumphs, Emily also faced moments of doubt and uncertainty. The pressure to excel in a competitive environment sometimes weighed heavily on her shoulders, as she grappled with feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. Yet, with the support of her colleagues and mentors, she persevered, drawing strength from their encouragement and guidance. As the months turned into years, Emily's efforts began to bear fruit. Her ability to communicate effectively in English became a valuable asset in the workplace, opening doors to new opportunities and experiences. Networking events and client meetings no longer instilled fear in her heart, instead, she embraced them as opportunities to showcase her newfound confidence and proficiency. Colleagues marveled at Emily's transformation, admiring her resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Through her unwavering perseverance, she shattered the barriers that once held her back, emerging as a beacon of inspiration for others facing similar struggles. And so, with courage in her heart and a steadfast resolve, Emily continued her journey through the world of English language proficiency, knowing that with each triumph and tribulation, she was one step closer to achieving her dreams. Chapter 7: Breaking Barriers. With time and dedication, Emily's efforts bore fruit as she gradually mastered the intricacies of workplace communication. Networking events and client meetings no longer instilled fear in her heart, instead, she embraced them as opportunities to showcase her newfound confidence and proficiency in English. Colleagues marveled at her transformation, admiring her resilience and determination in the face of adversity. As Emily navigated the complexities of the corporate world, she encountered a myriad of challenges that tested her newfound skills. From navigating cultural differences to managing high-stakes negotiations, each obstacle presented an opportunity for growth and learning. Yet, with each setback, Emily refused to be deterred, drawing upon her resilience and determination to overcome even the most formidable challenges. Through her unwavering perseverance, Emily emerged as a trusted leader and mentor in her field, inspiring those around her with her unwavering commitment to excellence. Colleagues sought out her advice and guidance, knowing that her insights were grounded in years of hard-earned experience and wisdom. With humility and grace, Emily embraced her role as a mentor, paying forward the support and encouragement she had received along her own journey. But amidst the triumphs and accolades, Emily remained grounded in her values and principles. She understood that true success was not measured by titles or accolades, but by the lives she touched and the difference she made in the world. With compassion and empathy, she reached out to those in need, offering a helping hand to those who struggled to find their own voice in the world of English language proficiency. And so, with each passing day, Emily continued to break down barriers and defy expectations, knowing that the true measure of success lay not in the absence of challenges, but in the courage to face them head-on, with unwavering determination and unshakable resolve. Chapter 8: A Journey of Self-Discovery. As Emily reflected on her journey, she realized that her struggles with English had not only shaped her linguistic abilities but also her character. Through perseverance and resilience, she had forged a path of self-discovery, uncovering hidden strengths and overcoming formidable challenges. English had ceased to be a mere language, it had become a symbol of her tenacity and determination. But beyond the realm of language proficiency, Emily had discovered a deeper truth, that true success was not defined by external achievements, but by the courage to embrace one's authentic self and pursue one's passions with unwavering conviction. Through her journey, she had learned to trust in her own abilities and follow her heart, no matter where it led. As Emily looked towards the future, she felt a sense of excitement and anticipation, knowing that the possibilities were endless. Armed with the lessons she had learned and the friendships she had forged along the way, she embarked on a new chapter of her life with renewed vigor and determination. With each step she took, Emily carried with her the wisdom and resilience that had defined her journey. Through the ups and downs, the triumphs and tribulations, she had emerged stronger and more resilient than ever before. And though the road ahead would surely be filled with challenges and obstacles, Emily faced the future with courage and optimism, knowing that with perseverance and determination, anything was possible.